Hey everyone, Neil deGrasse Tyson here, or at least that's what it sounds like, right? But seriously folks, get ready to have your minds blown wide open because today we're diving headfirst into the wild world of exoplanets. Alien planets aren't just in sci-fi, they're real, bizarre, and more extreme than anything you can imagine. We're talking planets that make Jupiter look like a golf ball, planets hotter than the surface of the sun, and yes, even planets that just might harbor life as we know it. So buckle up, space cadets, because we're about to embark on a journey through the cosmos to explore 10 insane real-life facts about exoplanets that will make you question everything you thought you knew about our universe. You know how when you look up at the night sky it seems like stars go on forever? Well, what if I told you that for every one of those twinkling points of light there are likely multiple planets orbiting it? It's true. We used to think stars were the main event out there, the cosmic A-listers, but it turns out they're more like dance floors with planets swirling around them. And some stars? They're practically disco balls. We're talking dozens of planets around a single star. Think about the implications of that for a second. Our own Milky Way galaxy has hundreds of billions of stars. Now do the math. That's hundreds of billions of planetary systems, each with its own unique story to tell, its own cosmic ballet playing out across the vastness of space. The sheer scale of it is enough to make your head spin faster than a pulsar. Okay folks, let's talk weather. We've all experienced a little rain, maybe some snow, maybe even a hailstorm if you're unlucky. But on the exoplanet HD 189733b, they take things to a whole new level. Imagine this. You're strolling down the street minding your own business when suddenly, shards of molten glass start raining down from the sky. And I'm not talking about a gentle drizzle here, we're talking winds whipping these glass shards at speeds exceeding 5,000 miles per hour. That's 7 times the speed of sound. This isn't just a Category 5 hurricane, this is a full-blown meteorological nightmare. So, the next time you're complaining about a little drizzle, just be thankful you don't live on HD 189733b. They say diamonds are a girl's best friend, but I think they might be an astronomer's best friend too, especially when we're talking about the exoplanet 55 Cancri E. This isn't just any planet. This is a planet that's believed to be made largely of pure, crystallized carbon. In other words, a giant diamond floating in space. Now I know what you're thinking. Neil, how do we get our hands on this cosmic bling? Well, hold your horses, space miners. 55 Cancri E is about twice the size of Earth and 8 times as massive. Meaning that diamond ring you're imagining? Yeah, it would make the Hope Diamond look like a speck of dust. But hey, a cosmic diamond is still a diamond, and the discovery of 55 Cancri E just goes to show that the universe is full of surprises, even the sparkly kind. Remember Tatooine, Luke Skywalker's home planet in Star Wars with those iconic twin suns setting in the desert sky? Turns out George Lucas was onto something. We've discovered real-life exoplanets that orbit not one, but 2 stars. These systems, known as circumbinary planets, are like something straight out of science fiction, but they're very real. Imagine the sunsets on these planets. 2 suns dipping below the horizon, casting long, intertwined shadows across alien landscapes. It's enough to make even the most jaded space explorer feel a sense of wonder. And who knows? Maybe, just maybe, on one of these Tatooine-like worlds, there's a young alien gazing up at the sky, dreaming of exploring the galaxy, just like us. Time, as we all know, is relative. But on some exoplanets, it's really relative. I'm talking about planets that orbit so close to their stars that their year, the time it takes to make one complete orbit, is shorter than an Earth day. Take, for example, the exoplanet Kepler-70b. This scorching hot gas giant zips around its star at such breakneck speed that its year lasts a mere 20 hours. Can you imagine celebrating your birthday every few hours? You'd need a whole lot of cake. But seriously, these ultra-short orbital periods tell us a lot about the dynamics of planetary systems and the incredible diversity of worlds that exist beyond our own. When you think of planets, you probably picture giant balls of rock or gas, right? Well, get ready to expand your planetary horizons because there are exoplanets out there so fluffy, they'd put cotton candy to shame. These planets, known as superpuffs or cotton candy planets, are gas giants with incredibly low densities. One such planet, Kepler-51b, is larger than Jupiter, but has less than 1% of its mass. That means if you could somehow find a bathtub big enough, Kepler 51b would float like a giant cosmic beach ball. How these planets form and maintain their puffy atmospheres is still a mystery, but they're a delightful reminder that the universe is full of surprises, even the fluffy kind. In the vast expanse of space where darkness reigns supreme, there exist worlds so enigmatic, so utterly devoid of light, that they make even the blackest night on Earth seem bright. These are the dark planets, celestial bodies that reflect almost no light at all. One such world, TRES 2b, is blacker than coal, absorbing over 99% of the light that falls upon it. Imagine a place where the sun never truly rises, where perpetual twilight casts an eerie glow upon a landscape shrouded in eternal night. These dark planets challenge our understanding of planetary atmospheres and the very nature of light itself. They are stark reminders that in the grand cosmic tapestry, there are still vast, unexplored regions where darkness holds sway. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to venture into a realm of fire and fury, where planets are literally oceans of molten rock. These are the lava worlds, exoplanets so close to their stars that their surfaces are perpetually ablaze. Imagine a world where volcanoes erupt with unrelenting fury, spewing rivers of lava across scorched landscapes. One such planet, Kepler 78b, is tidally locked to its star, meaning one side always faces the inferno. Temperatures on this hellish world soar to over 2,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt rock and vaporize metal. It's a stark reminder that the universe can be a harsh and unforgiving place even for planets. In the cosmic scheme of things, 4.2 light-years might as well be a stone's throw away. That's the distance to Proxima Centauri b, the closest known potentially habitable exoplanet to Earth. This rocky world orbits within the habitable zone of Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star that's part of the Alpha Centauri system, our sun's closest stellar neighbor. While we don't yet know if Proxima b harbors life, its proximity to us makes it an incredibly tantalizing target for future observations and perhaps even someday, interstellar exploration. Who knows? Maybe our cosmic cousins are just a short jaunt away waiting to make contact. We've covered a lot of ground today, from diamond planets to lava worlds, but believe it or not, we've only just scratched the surface of what's out there. With over 5,000 confirmed exoplanets and counting, we're living in a golden age of discovery. Scientists estimate there could be hundreds of billions of planets in our galaxy alone, each one a unique and fascinating world waiting to be explored. As we continue to peer deeper into the cosmos with ever more powerful telescopes, we're bound to uncover even more bizarre and mind-blowing exoplanets, pushing the boundaries of our imagination and deepening our understanding of the universe we call home. Exoplanets prove that the universe is far stranger and more exciting than we ever imagined. If this blew your mind, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe for more crazy space facts, delivered daily. Stay curious, stay amazed, stay tuned. And hey, while you're at it, why not hit that like button and subscribe to keep those cosmic vibes flowing? Until next time, keep looking up.